Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Salesforce dashboards for weekly outreach results. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Salesforce account and navigate to the Reports tab. In the Reports section, select New Report. Choose the report type that best fits your outreach metrics, such as campaigns or leads. Click on Continue to proceed to the Add the necessary fields that you want to track, like outreach date, status, and response rates. Use filters to narrow down the data to the desired weekly timeframe. Set the date filter to reflect the last week's data. Click on Run to view the report and confirm that it displays your expected results. Once satisfied, save the report by clicking on the Save and Run button. Name your report clearly, indicating it tracks weekly outreach results. Now head over to the Dashboards tab in Salesforce. Click on New Dashboard to create a new visualization. Select a suitable name for your dashboard, like Weekly Outreach Performance. Choose the appropriate folder to save your dashboard for easy. Now, click on Create to initialize your dashboard. Click on Add Component to start adding visual elements. Select the report you created earlier to pull in your outreach data. Choose the type of component you want, such as a chart or table, that best represents your data. Customize the component's settings, including labels, colors, and data display options. Position the components on the dashboard as needed for clarity and visual appeal. Click Done to finalize the component settings. You may add more components for different metrics if required. Once your dashboard is complete, click Save to ensure all changes are stored. To share your dashboard, adjust the sharing settings under the dashboard properties. Review the dashboard's layout to ensure all elements are clear and informative. Finally, set a reminder to review the dashboard weekly for ongoing outreach performance assessment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.